Okay, coming down.
Easy now, keep it clear.
The readings here are inconsistent.
The thickness is within tolerance, but look at the subsurface data.
It's a minor inclusion, but the integrity is fine.
This schematic shows the precise angle for the support beam. Let's move it into place now.
Bring that beam down slowly. Copy that, watching the load.
Okay, gonna bring it up 10 meters. Watch the port side. Easy now.
Lowering main section, Charlie. Slow and steady now. Watch the alignment on the starboard side. Set it down easy.
The heat-affected zone is showing an anomaly right here. We need to adjust the travel speed immediately to compensate.
Bring it down easy. We need it flush with the keel. Bring it down easy now. Watch the clearance on the right side. Looks good. Steady as she goes.
We are clear for the stern assemble. Make sure the propeller alignment is exact.
We need to prioritize the power conduits on level 4 before the structural supports go in.
I'll update the schedule.
The alignment on cylinder 7 is within tolerance.
Confirmed.
Proceed with the seating.
Bay 3, hold at current elevation.
Roger that. Holding steady. Approaching target zone.
Bring it down easy now. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Okay, hold it there. Lower impact wrenches. Secure the forward mounts.
Lower it slowly now.
Clear on this side, keep it coming down.
All readings are nominal.
Okay, let's lock it down.
Reactor scram initiated. Check rod insertion.
Confirmed. All rods inserting. System stable.
Sequence complete. Power core is stable at maximum output. Engine system completed.
All parameters are within tolerance.
How?
Confirmed. The system is approved.
Oh, look here on the schematic. The conduit runs higher on this section. Adjust the framing before you close it up.
You need to adjust the placement of Module C right here.
All right, I'll inform the crew. Make sure the bolts are secured on level 4.
Your dedication to the food drive last month truly exemplifies the spirit of this school. We are incredibly proud of your efforts.
All sections, report status to the main display. We have confirmed movement in Sector Gamma. I repeat, Sector Gamma.
There it is. Track inbound Sierra 1.
Confirmed. Locking on now. Alert status red.
Divert power. I want full resolution on that signature.
schematics show a stress fracture right here on the landing gear.
All right, I'll grab the torque wrench and we can check the tension.
Easy, easy. Bring it down slow. All right, right there. Looks good. Secure it.
We have full ascent and stable readings.
The lift test is successful. Good work.
Thrust reduction complete.
Speeds checked. Cabin pressurized.
Lower it slowly. Watch the starboard side. Almost there. Easy now. Looks aligned. Get the welders ready. All right, easy now. Watch the tension.
It's seated in the track.
Start the crank slowly. Secure it. Looks good.
Stand clear of the foul line. Elevator secure. Proceed forward.
We are clear. Keep coming down. 10 feet to go.
All right, keep it steady. A little more to the right.
Okay, it's in.
Perfect fit. Good job, everyone. All right, easy now. Bring it left just a little. We got the alignment pin set. Hold it right there. Okay, send up the impact wrench.
All right, easy now. Align with the mounting bracket. We're clear for final approach. Secure the bolts.
Delta 459, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
Yes, midfield. We'll have them clear in approximately 5 minutes.
Calculating fastest route. In 500 feet, turn left.
Delta 45B, hold short of runway 27 right. Traffic is inbound.
Affirmative, holding short.
And contact ground on point 9er when clear.
Countermeasures deployed. Jamming active in Sector 4.
We are approaching the top of climb. Set the thrust.
Thrust is set. Monitoring the ascent.
Flight level 350, GNE 9 right.
Checked. Continue. 1, Battery 2, Battery 3, align and prepare for fire mission.
Okay, easy on the throttle now. Hold her steady at midships. We are clear for the turn.
Sweep is active.
Multiple contacts detected. Bearing 090.
Chock the wheels! We are secure on the flight deck! Ready the trigger! Release! It worked!
Final checkers, green deck.
Roger, send it.
Bridge to engineering. We have an anomaly on Sector 4. Reroute auxiliary power immediately.